Reflections double wire field sketchbooks are one of our most rugged sketchbooks we have available. It features a black leatherette cover and backing, and it's extremely sturdy, and a double wire, as it says in the name, binding. One of the things I think that's really cool about this particular design is if you're the type of person that likes to work on both sides of the page, the paper itself is a 70-pound light, like cream color. Very nice. It's perforated, which means they'll tear out very easily to the specified size, so in this case a 7 by 10. But you can easily work on both sides of the page. In fact, if you were to feel the paper, it's a 70-pound paper, like I said, the tooth is the same on both sides. So if you're the type of artist that wants to use both sides of those pages, you treat this journal like something that you use for your sketching and ideas. You're not worried about having something on the back. It works really well for that. But the paper itself is very nice and accepts any type of dry media. I have here just some graphite I'll lay down for you. It's got a fine tooth. It's fairly smooth paper. It's nice to work on. And it also, can withstand erasing without damage pretty well. And then I will just show you some colored pencil here, how that lays down. So at the end of the day, it's about kind of trying to give you a good idea of what you can expect using these products, how they would set up or work with various art techniques. So you can see that it goes down, the colored pencil goes down pretty smoothly and doesn't have a lot of those crevices because the paper's fairly smooth that you would get on a rougher surface. And then pen and ink techniques, I've got a technical pen here. It will take that marker just fine. If you're going to work on both sides of the paper, I would recommend using strictly dry media. When you get into ink, it's likely to leave to the other side a little bit, if you don't want to see it through. But it actually did a fairly good job not popping through too much. So you have that option depending on how thick you work. And it's just an overall very rugged journal. Holds together well, comes in all kinds of sizes. I can't even memorize them all for this video. Square sizes, landscape sizes, some really unique sizes. This one's a lot of fun for doing like those wide marine landscapes. A lot of fun stuff. So these are the Reflections double wire field sketchbooks, a really rugged sketchbook for wherever your art takes you.